Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. Connecting to the Wi-Fi network could be useful if you want to download applications, watch some maybe videos on the internet or something like that. Anything that would require quite a lot of data to be downloaded. It's recommended to use the Wi-Fi network over the LTE, for example. And to connect to the Wi-Fi network, you need to open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Scroll through the list, find the Wi-Fi icon, and by default the Wi-Fi should be enabled. But if it's not, you can enable it by tapping on this icon. And once it's get highlighted by the white color, it means that the Wi-Fi is enabled. And then you can press and hold on this icon to open the Wi-Fi menu. And here we have Wi-Fi settings, and it should show you the list of networks, and if you're connected to the network it will say connected on it right here under the on button. So I am connected to the network already. Let's say I want to connect to a different one. You can scroll down, look for the list of available networks and find something you would like to connect to. Let me tap on scan to scan for more. Let's see if we can find anything else. Doesn't seem like it, so let's use this one. If you want to connect to network, usually networks are password protected, so you will need to tap on password, enter the password by tapping it in with the keyboard on your watch. Come on. And here we have the keyboard. You can use it to type in the password. Let me just do it. Okay. That should be correct. We can tap on connect, and if the password is correct, it will connect to that network. And that network will appear under the on button and it will say connected. And basically that's it. That's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. You open the Wi-Fi settings, you scan for the networks, you find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, enter the password and tap on connect, and it will appear right here and it will say connected. Okay. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.